So this needs to come out this blue color.
Done. And then we just
pipe, we just pull the pipe out, yeah.
this.
We need to keep this safe.
So we'll just pull this out, do we?
Yeah. Hold it, yeah. Pull your hand back a bit.
That's it.
Push and pull.
That's it.
Water coming. So you take the filter off.
Yeah.
This is the new filter. Guys, so that's how you take the old filter off. Okay, so that's how you take your old filter off. So before you do take your old filter off, make sure you turn off the water supply, which we've already done. We have an isolation tap. We have two isolation taps. One's with the normal taps, and then you got one just for the fridge itself, which is good. Okay, so that's that. So all you have to do, like I showed you just then, there's a red thing there like this. You literally just pull it out, and then with the tube just push it in and pull out at the same time. That's how you get it out, because that's how it's designed. So that's how you pull it out, and then do the same on the other side. Have a bucket ready as well, just in case if you do get spillage, which I did. My socks are wet now, but yeah, that's the spillage is just from that. That's because that's full of water. So yeah, now we're going to set up the new filter. So this is the new filter. So it doesn't matter that they're not the same brand, but make sure you get the one that's recommended for your fridge. This is the official Samsung one for the fridge, so that's even better than what we had on the fridge, I guess. So here you got these black knobs. These need to come out. So the way you get them out is you need to take this red plastic off. It doesn't help that I cut my nails just 5 minutes ago. So can you see that hole? You just lifting that up and pulling out. Bloody hell. This might be hot, guys. 1 second. Let me see what I can do. There you go. And then you push the blue bit down and then pull it. Push and pull at the same time. Hear that? Push away. That's ready now. Same on this side. Pull the red thing out. Make sure you keep these red bits safe. These red ones, because you're gonna need them to reconnect the hose to it. So again here, push the blue in, pull the black out. Easy as that. So now both this side is ready now, both of them. You also get these mounts if you want to use them. We're going to be using them just to lay it on the ground. I hope you caught it all down camera. So yeah, so that's the mount. You just hold it. So that's all ready now. So the new filter is ready. So what we're gonna have to do now is we're gonna attach the tubes to it. So there is two sides. One's an inlet and outlet. So the inlet side is, I believe, the flat side, which is this way. So I believe the water is going to go in this way, and the fridge side is going to come out that way, from what I can tell, because that's what it shows it like here. Water supply inlet that way, outside. So you can see from the shape of that, that's the outside way. So water is going to come in this way. So make sure you put the water side in this way. So as you can see, that's where our stop is. So that side is going to go on that side, and the other side is going to go on the other side to the fridge. So we're going to do that in a second. So make sure you keep these red bits safe, because you're going to attach the pipe, and then you're going to plug these red bits in, and then you need to flush the system first after you plug in. I'll show you how to do that as well. So by flushing it, you want to flush about 3 liters of water, roughly, well, basically until the water goes clear, because it will come out a bit black or red or whatever color it decides to come out with. So yeah, I'll show you that as well, guys. Okay guys, we're going to connect the outlet side, which is this side, to the water supply so we can flush it out. So we need to put it in straight, push it all the way in. There you go, that's one click. And then you want to connect the red tab again. Anywhere under the blue color, you can go in any direction. There you go, that's in now. And now we're going to turn the water on just to flush it out until the water goes clear.
Hold it now.
Yeah, turn it.
Okay.
Okay, this is black water. We're just going to do this for a while. Just going to get rid of the air and clean out the water for you. I'll give it the bucket. 1 liter is the bucket. You know?
Just empty.
Just need to fill them in.
Once. Okay.
Empty, fill it up.
Then clear water is enough one.
Empty, fill it all there.
Yeah.
Yep. Good job.
So you turn this off.
We've turned the water off now.
There's a switch here again.
Water's gone clear, so should be safe. Let me just dump the water. Yeah.
Let me.
Straight, yeah.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Push it all the way in. Yep.
Is it gone in or do you want to try again?
Yeah, that's it.
Huh?
That's it. And then behind the blue, is it behind the blue?
Yeah.
Connect that up. Is it leaking?
Yeah, how come we got water? It's probably not gone in yet.
Okay.
Just take it out. You come on this side.
Okay, we're going to reposition this 1 second. Okay guys, so we just put this one back out and pushed it all the way in again. You need to enter that and completely straight angle, otherwise you'll have a leak. So make sure you put in a straight angle and push in as far as it will go.
Make sure
You'll feel it clicking. So both sides are clicked in now, and then I showed you how to put the red clip in. So that red clip goes on both sides, so make sure you put the other side on. Just put it in there. And now we're going to test it for leaks. So just switch that water off. Don't hold it. Yeah.
So you turn the water on?
Yeah, turn the water on. Water will be flowing now. You want to test this, see if it's leaking after half an hour, see if it's leaking after 1 hour, and if it's not leaking after 2-3 hours, you should be okay. It's a good one. So yeah, look, at the moment it looks like it's okay. But what we're going to do is test it out now on the actual water system.
Wait a minute. Give it a go.
Yeah.
Wait for it.
Pani. Clear water, no? Yeah. You got clear water coming through and it's fine. Clean, yeah?
So far, so good.
Yeah. So it's all ready now. You just want to tuck this away somewhere safely, and that's been installed now. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.